Welcome to the new LSVT Global website. In this video, we will be going over how to add or change an organization in your clinician profile. It is important to have at least one in order to appear in our clinician search, as the organization address is how potential patients find clinicians. Once you have logged into your clinician dashboard, one of the first links near the top of the page is the Add/Update Organizations link. Clicking on the link will take you to the Manage Organization page. You can have multiple facilities listed on your account, but one will need to be marked as your primary organization. Click Add Organization to add a completely new facility. First, you can search by name to see if it is already in our system. If it is there, you can select it and have it added to the account. If it is going to be your primary organization, make sure to check the checkbox. Then, fill in all the required information. Then click Save. If it is not there, click Create Organization. Fill in all the required information. Then click Next. Again, check the primary checkbox if it is going to be your primary organization, and then fill out all the required information. Then hit Save. To update information for an organization already in your profile, select Edit Organization. Please note that organization type, address, and website are view fields only. Update the information necessary, then select Save. If you do not need to save your changes, select Cancel. Please note, if you want to be seen on the clinician search, you will need to check the checkbox below Available in Clinician Search. To do so, go back to your clinician dashboard, then to the Edit View Profile link. Select Edit. Scroll down to the account information, then check the checkbox. Then hit Save. To delete an old organization, or if you have any questions, please email us at info@lsvtglobal.com or call our office directly.